Hello guys, this is third part of tutorial about Microsoft Word features. Today we will go through styles. As you can see, I created some document here with titles, subtitles and paragraphs, and we will apply and change these styles here. First, I will show you how you can create new style from modifying existing text. First, I modify this text, for example Times New Roman, change the size to 14 and change the color to red, let's say. As you can see, this text is red and it's completely different from this text normal or this title text, which inherit from normal style. Now I want to change normal style, so I update normal to match selection. When I click it, as you can see, all my text, which inherit from normal style, was changed. Also titles, which are here, was changed because they inherit from normal style as well. Now I want to change it back. So again, this way first time. And I show you a different way. Yeah, this was one way how you can change style. A different way is by modifying style. You open this modify style window where you can change the name and change style. Here I do the same. Set the Times New Roman 14, but now I change it to italic. And also I want to change something else. For example, from this, say, paragraph. As you can see, you have a lot of options here: border, numbering, text effects, but for now we will go just with paragraph. I will choose the special first line and make a space on the first line, as you can see in preview. This how will our result look. Now I said OK, and as you can see in preview, it's still applied. And when I now press OK, it will be applied to all paragraphs which inherit from normal. Always you can check to apply on this document or all new documents. Because if you apply only on this document, the style will be in this document, but when you create the new one, the style will be default as we created new document was. But if you apply this on all new documents, every new document you create, the style would be set from this new one. So now we apply only on this document. And as you can see, all paragraphs, even titles which inherit from it, was changed. This is very useful, for example, also for titles, when you change it to, for example, bold and make it in the middle. As you can see, it's very easy. And title already is bold, just the caliber isn't really much to show you how bold looks, so try maybe Arial. Yeah, show us, and now update the title to match. It's the same now. We have also subtitle, which is this, and you can also modify it, but this one I want to rename as subtitle. So as you can see, first it was heading, now I rename it to subtitle, and my new style will be called subtitle 1. Also, these parts are very easy for navigation. As you can see here, you can check any headings and your Word document will go to them. Easy. Now, how we can create new style. So you check the style on which you want to base your new style. For example, I want to base it on normal or title. Say this and yeah. So click on this button and check create new style. As you can see, first we name our style, say normal 2. And confirm it. We have now style normal and normal 2. It should be basically very similar. Basically the same at this moment. And now we can just change one of them without changing the other and see which one is better. and say blue. Okay. As you can see, just this paragraph get the new style, all the others have still the style, the normal, not normal too. So if I just, for example, want to change also this paragraph, I will apply it very easily. Again, this is how you create new style. And now how you can remove it. It's probably the last thing with styles. You basically click again with the right button on the style. You can also rename it through here, but you can remove style from gallery. You should be very careful with this, because once you remove the style, you doesn't have it back. So you can see I removed the style. The style is still applied on this text, but there is no style anymore which would take it. So when I click this, the style is gone. As you can see, it's no one in the available styles anymore. So this was about the styles. Now we go to the find, how you can use it. So find is basically for searching your document for certain words. For example, I want to search for lorem, and as you can see, every part where lorem is typed, it's marked with yellow background. This is very easily when you want to see how many some of your words are repeated in the document and want to change it for some different synonyms. But we have also advanced options to find. When we press advanced find, this is the simple find, but there is also replace. So now I am going to replace all lorem words with, let's say, lorem. As you can see, you can replace just first one, but let's replace them all to see the difference. So when I click this button, there is 6 lorem which can be replaced, and when I confirm it, all lorems was replaced. It seems that 8 after all. As you can see, all lorem are now lorem. And when I search for lorem now, there is nothing here, but lorem is on the all places where lorem was before. And there is also part where you can try go to, and this will quickly set you to part you want to go in your document. It's very good when you have bigger document. You can, for example, select page, say page 2, as we have here, and go to, and it automatically put us into page 2. So we already go through find, advanced find, replace, which is here, and go to. Also selection. Selection you can do easily by holding your left button on your mouse and drag it through text you want to mark. It's very easy, and then you can change on the text. For example, just on this text I want to change the font. So as you can see, just this part of text which was selected change its font. The last part is dictating, and you can easily use it when you have microphone. Just click it and... Okay guys, this was everything for the part 3. Hope you enjoyed the video, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!